Hey, it's me again. And as you can see, I am from the Romsey School. Yay, go Romsey. Anyway, that's not the point. Today I thought I would do a video on the water drop sound. The water drop sound is a sound effect that sounds like a water drop. So, this is what it sounds like. As you can hear, it really sounds like a water drop. So to do this, you need to be able to whistle. You don't actually have to whistle, you just have to get your mouth into the position that you would when you're about to whistle. So, whistle and then stop, but keep your mouth in the same position like this. Okay? Now, to make the beginning bit, all you have to do is make the thingy, and hit either this part, just under your chin of your face, or your cheek. I find it gets a better sound if you hit the bottom, but it doesn't matter. Now, as you can see, once I've hit it and it makes this sound, I get my mouth into the whistling position. And then to make the second part of the sound effect, you simply just go. So put your tongue at the bottom of your mouth and kind of just whistle blow thing. Now to do the whole thing, you hit your face, then do the second part basically, and do it at the same time, and it sounds like this. That failed.